Hello everyone, here in this practice we are going to learn how to use to_number and to_date functions in Oracle select statement. Here we have two simple practices. Write a query to display the output of arithmetic operation, and this is the arithmetic operation. So we can write select, just copy this arithmetic operation here. And because we are just putting an arithmetic operation without selecting columns data, we can complete the statement by using from dual. If you try to run this select statement, it will fail. As we can see, invalid number, because this is a string. Oracle cannot convert this string automatically to a number because here we have a $sign symbol, we have 1,000 indicator here, we have a decimal point here. So in order to convert this string to a number, we can use function to_number and specify the character here and the format in single quotation here. So here the format, you have to put how Oracle will convert this string to a number. So the string here is written as $sign and a number here and 3 numbers dot, and we have a number here. So here this is a $sign, this is number 9, and this is 1,000 indicator, and then 3 numbers dot, and then a number. So this is the format of the string here. Once finished, run the select statement again, and here we go. So by using to_number function, Oracle convert this string to a number and then add 500, and this is the output. In the second practice, write a query to display the last name, salary, hire date of all employees were hired between 01/02/2004 31/03/2004. So we can write select last underscore name, salary, hire underscore date from table employees where hire underscore date. We can use between and, where hire date between 01/02/2004 and 31/03/2004. If you try to run this select statement, it will fail. As we can see, not a valid month. Oracle here is expecting a character month, for example February, or here for example March. If you put the date as in this format, Oracle will automatically convert this string to a date without any issues. But if you put here 02 and here 03, as we can see, Oracle returned an error, not a valid month. So in this case, we can use to_date function to convert this string to a valid date format using a format model. So how this string written? It's written as DD and then month 2 digits and then YYYY. And also we can convert this string to date using the same function to_date function, and this string is written as DD month 2 digits and 4 digits for the year. And once finished, you can highlight the select statement and click run. So as we can see, it returns all employees were hired between 1st of February 2004 and 31 of March 2004. So we have here two options: convert string to a date by using to_date function, or you can type the string in a valid date format so Oracle can automatically convert the string to date. So if you don't want to use to_date function, here you must use either 3 characters abbreviation for the month, or you can provide full spelled out month. You can put here either Feb, and here we can put MAR or March, for example. If you try to run the select statement, it will succeed. As we can see, it returns the same output by using the first select statement. So here we have two options: either let Oracle automatically convert the string to date, but you have to follow a format model, or you can use to_date function and you can provide here the string that you want to convert to date, and you can provide here the format model that will be used to convert this string to date. So in this practice, we learned how to use to_number and to_date functions in Oracle select statement. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.